Hi, I'm Branca.Jandira from state of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. As you can see, an English speaker. And I'm here to talk to you and to ask you some very important things about English lessons. I'm going to speak both in Portuguese and English. Firstly, in English. Let me ask you, how long have you studied? How long have you studied at school? 7 years, right? To the high school, 7 years. And what can you remember about you studied in 7 years? Do you know the American sounds? Do you know that there are many sounds in English we never pronounced in Portuguese? Do you know that books, textbooks, is just a matter of time? It will be finished, erased, disappear, because we need to communicate, to say our souls, to express ourselves confidently, effectively, with attitude. So my questions are, first one, first questions. Have you ever heard about EPA, IPA? You may ask me, teacher, do I need to memorize the sounds? No, you don't need. You just need to understand. When you need help, you press a link on Google or on online dictionary, and you understand it better. It helps to pronounce American words, American English accent. So we have the letters A, E, I, O, U. This is not sounds of all vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And here, suppose that you go sing the sounds of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. English about melody and rhythm. So let's start this path, this way, different from all you have studied together. Forget yesterday. Your learning of English start today. Bye for now. This was lesson 1. Let's go to lesson 2.